So the end of another year, 2025, out the window. This is our first full year in the new fixing salvage workshop. Last year we went through some of the projects that we completed, some of the projects that we had going out and some of the ones that we still had here. So we'll go through the same again. We'll go and see what projects we've got, what stock we've got lying around. This one, won't speak too much about this one. This is basically just a run-of-the-mill Corsa that we bought off another salvage YouTuber. They bit off a little bit more than they could chew with the repair. So that's going to be that's to do in the new year. We've got this Mercedes, which is Alfie's A-Class, that was straight from Copart. We actually didn't end up doing a repair on that because it's still got a bit of damage on it, but we've got the Nissan in the corner, that's stuff to do with, I'd ignore that. The white VW, that's a friend of ours camper van. Another project that, well, it's not actually our project, this is Dave's project. It's a Transit camper van that he's done, bought it straight out of Copart, Colchester. Really, really nice van, actually. We've got another Fiat 500 that I bought probably towards the middle of the year, but this one's had quite a bit of a clump, I must admit.
Is that going to go on the new jig?
Yeah, that's going to go on the new jig, which you guys haven't actually seen yet, so you guys will definitely come and take a look at that.
Well, here we are with a range of Fiat 500s that we've finished and completed.
These are all the Fiat 500s that we've got at the minute. We've got a lovely stock of them. We've got anything from this 10,000 mile one owner Fiat 500. That's absolutely mint. This one comes from Rochester. There is going to be a repair video on this one. But yeah, like I say, 10,000 miles, it's like basically a brand new car.
They're all quite low, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all low mileage. They're all mint as well, to be fair. And then we've got this one, which is a 2020 hybrid one. This has done about 16,000 miles, 1 litre hybrid. They always sell really, really well, these do. Absolutely immaculate. All the cars come with a fresh MOT like they normally do. And then we've also got another one here, which is a grey one. This is a 1.2 petrol. Now this car, it's the first time I've ever seen this on this, and I never realised it at the point of sale, but it's got a roof that opens, ain't it?
Yeah, it's quite weird, isn't it?
Yeah, this one, the roof
pops
actually
up, slides back.
Yeah, it actually opens, which I've never ever seen on a Fiat 500 before. This one's done 30,000 miles. And then we've got this one, this has probably got to be, definitely actually, to be fair, the cheapest facelift Fiat 500 that'll be for sale in the UK, I'd say, at the minute. This is £3,000. It's done 65,000 miles. Again, bodywork's absolutely mint on it. And for £3 grand, well, it's worth that in parts, to be fair.
Yeah, it is, to be fair, yeah.
So that's a lovely deal on that one. I imagine when this video goes live, they won't be sticking around for long, so make sure you contact me using the email in the description box below. It's fixingsalvage@hotmail.com. The first come, first serve. So £3,000, £4,500, £5,500, and then £4,300. Again, these are all priced, well, I think they're priced really, really fair. If you ever flick through Auto Trader and you can find any cheaper, send me them and I'll have a look at them. Because these are all priced really, really well. Don't forget as well, we've also got the VXR raffle. That ends on the 4th of January. It's really, really undersold at the minute. So go and grab your tickets using the link in the description box below. The odds of winning are probably the biggest now than they've ever been. For £2.50, it books at, I think it's £8,000 this car books at.
Yeah, it does.
And it's only, well, I said in the video, there's only another 2 on Auto Trader. So it's going to be absolutely perfect by the time we're doing it. I know some people did say in the last video, what are you going to do about the bodywork? There's a split on the front bumper. We're going to be doing that. That's all going to be painted. Yep. So bodywork-wise, it will all be perfect. But yeah, £2.50. So link in the description
I might have
box
a couple of tickets myself.
Yeah, yeah. You can't enter.
No,
You can't enter. If you win it, then people say that. But yeah, so for £2.50, guys, you can't even go and buy a coffee for nowadays for £2.50. So you've got a chance to be walking away with that. Link is in the description box below. For everybody who's watching on the TV as well, if you scan the QR code that is here on the screen, get your phone out and scan it, it will take you straight to the raffle page. And then this is another long stay. I've probably had this coming up 2 years now.
2 years, this one?
Yeah, 2 years. Oh. It was probably actually, well, it would have been here in the last Christmas one.
Yeah, it probably would have
been. So yeah, it's well, again, it's just a repair that we've just been putting off. We're going to get it done. It just only wants a rear quarter. I've got all the parts for it, so that'll be done nice and soon, hopefully. But yeah, one car that is gone that was here last year.
The red turbo.
Was our red edition Vauxhall Corsa. I say our, it was actually, I was going to be using it for my own personal car. Ended up moving into my Q5, as some of you will know. So we ended up selling it. And yeah, that's...
come out really nice, didn't it?
That come out absolutely perfect. To be fair, after I'd finished picturing it up and that, like, I did think to myself, I want to keep it. But it's basically, as soon as I sold that, we ended up coming across the VXR. So I thought, you know what, it's time to let that go. And then, yeah, the workshop hasn't really changed much. We still have the two-poster. Did we have the two-poster last year?
No, I don't think so.
No. I don't think we did, actually.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. We definitely didn't. Well, the workshop has changed then. So we ended up trading in the 4-poster, ended up selling that, and then equipment for garages ended up sorting us out with this. Well, I think you was a bit unsure of it at the time, weren't you? Yeah. Get a 2-poster. But that one that's a brilliant lift, that is, ain't it?
It's worked out really well, to be fair.
Yeah, that is like...
It is good.
Yeah, I mean, I won't lie, guys. Equipment for Garages, they did do a really good deal on that for us, but we've been buying from them for ages, haven't we? Yeah. We were buying from them even before that we had the channel, so they are a really good company. I'll leave their link again in the description box below. If any of you are after like your scissor lifts or your two posters, then they are really good lifts. I wouldn't be saying it if they wasn't. But that's another project that I will be doing a video on, so I won't talk through that one too much. Right, so just had a little bit of a move back there so I can show you guys the new jig. I'm not going to show you too much on this car, don't look at it, because this is going to be a project in the new year. But yeah, we have gone and invested a lot of money in well, it's not brand new, but it's new to us, a jig. Now, we do already have a jig. Well, what is it? It's a big Colette one, ain't it?
Colette.
Colette
jig, is it? Yeah.
Yeah,
we have got that.
Yeah, it's all got, well, it's like a massive, well, it's one that you use to put the two poster on. I don't think, we haven't actually ever showed it on the channel.
No, we haven't.
But
no.
This come up. Now, this is a...
But it is for sale.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the first time I'm here and that is for sale.
Yeah.
Well, if anybody wants it, then drop me an email below. But this one is a Spinaci, I think it's called a Quick Bench. Now, this came up from a body shop in Rainham. And yeah, when it come up, the deal that it was at, I couldn't really refuse. So yeah, what basically happens is you've got it turns into a scissor lift, which is one of the reasons that I bought it as well, because we have got a lift now that does two functions. You put these pads on it, turns into a scissor lift, and then you've also got the seal clamps, which are in, well, they're here. Seal clamps are here. So you put them on it as well, and then you obviously can clamp the car to it. Now you can pull it by, so it also works with these bits down here. So you basically clamp, the jib goes in there. It's got a little pin on here. It sits on there. You can pull all around it. You can pull it from the back. You can pull it from the side. So you can get 360-degree pull on it. Then yeah, it's a brilliant bit of kit. Yeah, I don't think
we haven't used it yet.
We haven't used it yet.
Play around with it.
But yeah, the body shop that we bought it from, they've pulled plenty of cars in it, and it's actually it hasn't really been that much used, to be fair. It's about 7, 8 years old. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And yeah, you will definitely get some projects that need jigging. This year, we've already got one on that Fiat 500 out there, so that'll go on it. But I have also gone out and bought as well. You can tell me what this is. Oh, that's too heavy, yeah.
Is that heavy? Is it quite heavy?
So?
Spot welder.
A spot welder. Now, for that red car that we've done, when changing rear quarters now, we can do it a lot faster because we've gone out and bought a spot welder.
So that'll make a lot of difference to the panels.
Yeah.
A lot of difference.
A lot nicer, a lot faster as well, ain't it?
Cleaner.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So we have been spending the money here this year. I think we're basically done now, equipment-wise, aren't we? The only thing that we might get in the future would be a heated booth, won't it?
Yeah, get a heated booth next.
And that's it. That's basically that'll be us done here. But yeah, actually, come and have a look at the dozer as well. This is the dozer to it. So what happens is that so these are all your different pulls that you can do. You can put this thing all the way around, or you can put it the other way around. And then you've got your chains here, they come up, and you've actually got the,
hydraulic ram.
The hydraulic ram, this and that. But it's done it's all pneumatic. So you just literally press that, no more pumping it or anything like that. It's all done off of that. You've got the box for it there. But yeah, that's really, really heavy. So we've just got a couple of barrels of oil at the minute, just putting it as a counterweight on that. But yeah, a nice bit of equipment and something that should make our life 10 times easier in the future. But yeah, that wise, it's been a good year. Lots of projects done, lots of cars sold. So yeah, hopefully next year goes as good as this year went. But yeah, thank you to everybody who supported us this year. Thank you to all of our sponsors. Thank you to ASM. They've helped us out quite a bit this year as well. They've just sent us a batch of batteries as well, haven't they?
Yeah, they have, yeah.
So
very good.
They've got a new battery reconditioner there. So also leave a link in the description box below. Any car parts, any things like that, then they're good to use. But yeah, thank you everybody who supported the business this year. We've still got those Fiat 500s for sale. So like I say, drop me an email in the link in the description box below. VXR's £2.50 to enter a raffle. Again, link will be in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you all, well, it'll be next year now.
Next year.
See you all next year. Oh, I hope you all had a good Christmas as well.